How to fix battery drain after update on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so factory reset, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on general management and click on reset. Click on factory data reset. Enter phone pin, click on continue and click on delete all. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.